because there are too many unanswered questions. It's not absence of knowledge of the problems. As our colleague, the president of the SRC, was saying, we know the problems of poverty and about this and that and the other. The problem, though, is that as a country we have not been able to solve them, these problems. Never mind our election manifestos. All of us we put out manifestos at election time. This is what we're going to do. None of them has assisted us to solve the problem, this problem. So I said, I think it is time that we get the people of South Africa themselves, the ordinary people, to get together and answer these questions. What do they think? Not political parties or whatever, but the people themselves. Let them meet and say, give an example. Why don't we have a national dialogue? The participants, for instance, in the national dialogue would be the women of South Africa. That's one constituency. So what you do, you ask a Professor Puleng Lengabola here, who happens to be a woman, to say to Puleng, can you put together a delegation of 200 women, inclusive of the women of South Africa, who must then attend as a delegation to the national dialogue? Same with the youth, same with the traditional healers, same with many people, the arts world, the people of the faith organizations, and so on. So you have delegations of this kind, of the ordinary people. Not to complain that we're hungry, we know that. But to say, how do you solve this problem? That let the people speak. Not represented by their political parties, but the people themselves. So I said, let's have that national dialogue. I then said in that same speech that this idea, this thing is, I'm saying this thing, but it's too big even for me.